Hello students, I am Dr. P.C.Kambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of B.A. Part 1 Compulsory English. In this video class, we discuss types of sentences. But before that, we discuss what is a sentence. A sentence is a combination of words capable of giving its complete meaning. A sentence should be correct grammatically as well as semantically. Say, for example, if I speak a sentence, I see a crow fly in the sky. This sentence is correct semantically as well as grammatically. But if I speak a sentence, I see a cow fly in the sky. Of course, this sentence is correct grammatically, but not semantically. Semantically means meaning wise. So, a sentence should be correct grammatically as well as semantically. Then we come to the types of sentences. Simple sentence is one type or category. Compound sentence is yet another type or category. Then complex sentence is yet another type of sentence belonging to the third type of category. Again we come to simple sentence. Simple sentence has got a subject and at least one finite verb. Then a compound sentence has got a subject and more than one finite verb. And so is the case with complex sentence. Simple sentence does not have a conjunction or connective, whereas a compound sentence has got conjunctions or connectives like and, but, or, so. And a complex sentence has got conjunctions or connectives like which, when, wherever, still, otherwise, like this. So, on the basis of the number of finite verbs and seeing the presence or the absence of the conjunctions or connectives, we can identify a sentence for its type. Then we come to the sentence patterns. Patterns here means design. So, first of all, we see what does the word pattern or design mean. If we look around, then we come to know that the objects that we see have their types or designs or patterns. Take example of a table. We have a dining table. We have a study table. We have dressing table. We have table tennis. That is a play or game where tennis is played. So that big type of table is used for playing tennis. Then the table may be of the shape of round type, or it can be in the shape of a rectangle at the top, or it could be of various heights. So is the case with the fans. We have exhaust fan, we have ceiling fan, and we have kitchen fan, and we have fans with 3 blades or 2 blades or 4 blades. So is the case with sentence patterns. So it is quite clear that there are types or designs or patterns for sentences in order to speak and in order to write. A person who can command and remember so many types of sentences can speak in English fluently, and so is the case with his written English. If he commands so many types of sentences, he can write in a better way than the others. The simplest sentence or type is subject plus verb intransitive. I speak one type of sentence for this pattern. I eat. I is the subject and eat is verb, and this is intransitive verb because it does not take an object after it. I come to another type of sentences of the same pattern, that is, you write. You are subject and write is the verb. Then if we go to the next pattern, then we come to know that subject plus verb transitive plus object is the pattern. Subject is the doer of the action and verb gives the idea of something being done. Object is an article that suffers the action of the doer. So, the third pattern, I speak a sentence for this. You eat an ice cream. You is the subject, eat is verb, transitive. Why I speak this verb as transitive? Because I see object immediately after it, and that is ice cream. And how ice cream is going to be suffered by the action of the doer? Before starting eating, the ice cream was very much there, but once it has been consumed by the speaker, then it is no more. I wash a shirt. I here is the subject, wash is the verb of transitive type, a shirt is an object because it is going to suffer the action of the doer. Earlier it was not clean, but once it has been washed, it has been cleaned. Then the next pattern is subject plus verb transitive plus object plus adjective. I speak a sentence for this. I wash a shirt clean. I is the subject, wash is verb transitive, a shirt is the object, and clean is an adjective. I speak yet another sentence of the same type. An engineer molded the cube spherical. An engineer is the subject, molded is verb transitive, cube is an object, spherical is an adjective. How spherical is an adjective? Because it tells about the quality of the cube. Once it was in cube shape, but having been molded, it has been transformed into a round mass. So, this pattern is subject plus verb transitive plus object plus adjective. Then I come to the next pattern or type, and the type is subject plus verb transitive plus indirect object plus direct object. And I got an example. Mohan presented me a pen. Mohan is subject, presented is verb transitive. Me is an object, but it is indirect object because the real or genuine reason for object to be called as an object is that of the dead type of things. So here me is an object and a pen is direct object. Me is indirect object because the subjective form of me is I. Then this way we continue with the sentences types or patterns. We shall be taking these patterns or types in our next video class. Thank you so much.